Hey everybody, as promised, we're gonna look at a different type of ruler and this might shock your eyes. What do you imagine it to be? Do you think it's gonna be similar to the previous one? Well, let's find out. This is quite surprising when I first looked at it because I would expect the same type of pattern to emerge from the image. A lot of fibers, maybe not so well lined up, but still looks pretty fibrous. But this one, it is a bendy ruler, and that means its microscopic image is going to look somewhat different. So you can see here, we have some fibers, not much, and some granular stuff, also not much. A lot of it is empty space, and I wonder what those spaces are. It kind of shocked me at first because I would imagine that the fibers would be lined up in one direction so that you can always bend it in one direction and not the other. It would break in the other, but I did not account for the fact that it can be bent in almost any direction. You can make a circle with this ruler and it would not rebel against you. It's not like the previous clear no color ruler, because that one, if you try to bend it, it'll break. In fact, it has already broken once. But this blue one is quite different in a way that it works more like a rubber than plastic. And that's why I wonder what is in the middle between those granular and fibrous things. Are those just empty space, or are there some other things? I recommend you to research this out.